So today what I'm going to show you is like how we can create Json schema file in our Visual Studio. So we want to create Json schema file because we want some intelligence as well as like some properties to be validated whenever a JSON file is created. So why would we want that? The reason we would be wanting a JSON schema file is like, suppose that I have got a team of 5 or 10 people or many people and they are using multiple projects. So if I have got a common schema file, then I would be sure that proper JSON is being created for my application. So for doing that, what I have done is I have created a schema.json file and a new.json file. In schema.json file, I will be creating my JSON. So what I need to do over here is like, I will simply create a declare a schema with draft 4 and schema. So once I have done this, what I can do is I can add some properties. In properties, the first property which I am going to use is name. So for using this name, there are certain things like first is the type. So it defines the what is the type of my property, that is like string. The second thing which I will define is the format. So format, these are the formats that are available with me. So I can use some format like hostname. So rather than having this name, I will simply say this is host. Right. Also I can provide the description over here. So if I provide description, so this is a host name. Let me create one more property quickly. So the other property which I am going to create is URL. So URL will be of type string. It will be formatted as URI and this needs to be this is a endpoint description. So I will simply say endpoint of my application. Adding one more property quickly, I can provide email. So email will be of type string. Format will be email. Description is email. So once I save this file, what I can do is like in my new.json file, for using the schema, I've already added the schema.json file over here. So if I type, so these are the properties that are available for my application. So host name is HTTP. Rather than putting HTTP, let's say Prashant email is xyz. So if you hover over here, it's saying value must be a valid email address, so it's checking for validation. So this is some dummy email and I've got URL. So I will simply click https. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it and subscribe it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.